Hello everybody and welcome to this video. We're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to set up your BusinessMap Action Automation for workflows. This is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your server and connect to your BusinessMap platform and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow for your business map account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace. You search for the app, business map. There you go. You click on it. You go and install, allow and install. There are some credentials required in order to get the installation going, which is to provide the domain and the API key. So how do we get all those credentials? We just have to switch to our business map account. Let's do it right away. Inside business map, you come here and we go at the API. You come here to copy, generate a new API key. We go and generate, make sure we copy, we switch back, paste, and now we're going to copy the domain. Come here, copy, we switch back, paste, and we continue. We choose the plan, we confirm, we complete the installation, and we get the uninstall. This means that the tool is already connected to our business map account, and now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our business map account. So, guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We are a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to your other questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs ups. If you're new here, please hit our subscribe button and thank you for watching.